Hi guys, my name is Dean Ginto from DinOnlinePitch.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a landing page using GetResponse. Now I'm going to be leaving a link down below in this video to get access to GetResponse. Now you can get a 30-day free trial in order for you to use GetResponse, and it's one of the easiest way to use for email marketing, sending your offers to your buyers list, and also sending newsletters to your buyers list as well, or to your list onto your GetResponse. Now before I get started, I'm going to be showing you what a landing page is. So it's going to look like this. This is one of my landing page for my YouTube channel that I added onto my YouTube channel here. So pretty much once you create your first landing page, you're going to be copying the link here. I'm going to be showing that to you after I create a step-by-step on how to create one. So you copy the link. Once you finish creating your first landing page, you can pretty much add it to your YouTube channel just like this here. You're gonna have to have a free training provided, so make sure that you have one so you can attach it to your GetResponse account. So it's gonna look like this, and also I put it onto every videos onto my description list here below the YouTube video here. So pretty much I wrote get my free training and added the link here of my landing page, and also to my Facebook page here. So as you can see here, I just add the link onto each of my social accounts for that so that the whoever's gonna visit to your site, they will be able to click on this. So once they click on that, then this landing page is gonna show up just like that, and they're gonna start entering their name and their email. Then you'll be able to capture their email this way, and then they're gonna be getting their free bonus as well, as my way of saying thank you for putting your name and email. Then I can give you my free offer just because you are providing me your email address, so that once you put them on your list, then you can start sending them newsletters, or however you want. Could be your sending them offers and so on. And so let's get started on how to create your landing page. So first, when you sign in, you're going to be onto this main dashboard of GetResponse. Then what you need to do next is you can either go over here, create landing page, or if you have a different version, but my version of GetResponse is actually updated. So September 19th of 2021, I have the updated version of the GetResponse, which is like this. It's gonna look like this. You can either go here. I believe the older version of GetResponse, you can click on the dots on top of the screen here, and you can either go here as well. So either or, this will take you to create your landing page. So you click on create landing page, and here are the templates that you can pretty much select and choose from. So let's say you're gonna be giving away your free training, so you can capture their email. Maybe we can go look over sign up and registration here. I like to keep things simple so that the more simple it looks, the more it converts well. So which means the more you will be able to get your buyers, or not buyers, but opt in for someone to place their email accounts onto a landing page. And so but feel free to choose however you want your landing page to look like. So as for me, I'd like it to keep it simple. So let's say we select this one, and pretty much you can edit this template as you can see here. So what you need to do next is you're gonna have to add the name of the landing page. So we're gonna name it test for now. Then here, go to next step. Okay, now as you can see here, it's got all this preloaded information. So I usually just delete that part, and maybe you can name this, change the name. Maybe you can change the name of the bonus offer, or it could be a free offer that you'd like to give away to your list. And so let's say 10 free information, maybe 10 ways to create free websites. Okay, so this is just a sample, so you could either write the title of the offer that you're gonna be adding here, then enter your name and email address to get this free report. Maybe just write I would change that to want to receive my free training. Sign up below. Keep it as simple as you can so that it's not too much reading. But again, however you want it, you can pretty much make a long description of what your what are you trying to offer to your whoever is gonna be signing up to your list. And so I'm just putting this as a sample so you can have an idea on how you can, or what you can add onto your landing page. So so I wrote, want to receive my free training, sign up below. You can put anything that you want. You can either add, want to receive my free training, get my exclusive off now you're gonna have to be adding your auto responder to this so that you can start sending a newsletter every week, or could be every day. So I'm just kind of like, again, I'm just adding that so you have a full idea on what to write onto your landing page, so that more people will be signing up to your list. And so get exclusive letters with my secrets, to online marketing. So just like that, and also you can change the size of your font so that you'll be able to fix that. You can pretty much move this around the way you want, but I like everything centered. So just like that, and if you want to, you can change the fonts however you want. You can change colors as well. So just like that, you can pretty much play around and move things around here so that if you like what you see, then you can pretty much personalize how you want it. And then for this one here, full name, you can actually change this to, I'd rather have like a first name, so I want to keep it simple as possible. So you can double click on that to change how you want to name the box onto this first box here. So just write name, and I'd rather just leave this as is, and so use email address. And then you can also make it smaller. You can change the size of the box that you'd like to make, how you want to make it look nice. And so if we go to the button here, you can also add more buttons here as well. So you can just delete that. Okay, so I'm trying to, let's see here. Okay, now this is the button. You can actually once you double click this button here, you can actually change how you want to name it. So I would put here I want my free training, so it entices your someone who wants to get your free bonus. It's going to entice them to want to put their name here and their email address. And so once you've done that, then you're going to be going to the next step here. You could either save just so you have a copy, but then just so you don't lose this template. So I'm not going to save it because I'm just creating this as a test for you to check out. Then you can go to next step. So actually, what's good about this is it's going to ask you to adjust it, uh, adjust it for the mobile version. And so you can go ahead and return to editor and pretty much check and see if the mobile editor is good enough to look at. So if you prefer your buttons on top, maybe let's put it on the bottom. So let me see here, because it does looks funny that it's on top. So if you want that, delete that one, because that was the error that I made earlier. And you can change the font here to smaller so that it's gonna look like a mobile free user, just like that. And I actually like this color, so I'm gonna keep that. I'd prefer keeping this one so that it's gonna give your visitors a peace of mind that, you know, we do not share your information with third parties. So it's going to make them feel safer to enter their information, because you know, with all this signing up, entering their email list or their email address, they get really they start feeling protective of their information, and so, which is understandable. So I'd rather leave this one here, so it's just gonna give them a peace of mind. So now that our mobile version looks fine, then I think we can go ahead and hit the next step. Let's see here. So yes, we did do that. And then now next would be a thank you page. So this is another option for you to select if you want your thank you page to have this message here. So as you can see here, just go ahead and just do the edits. Don't worry about having to create a new one, because you can actually duplicate the same template and just start personalizing it the way you want. And so thanks for downloading your support. I would edit that as thanks for downloading my free training. Okay. And then I would edit this as hope this training will be relevant and beneficial to you. Want to stay current with the latest marketing trends. You can add your email, your website here. So make sure that you click on that, and I believe, let me see here. You want to make sure that you add your email address here. So this is actually another option for you to start adding your links here onto your thank you page. I normally do it something different. So feel free to edit this part. So let's see here. Let me hit the next step. And so this is how it looks like once you finish adding your or creating your first landing page. Now normally the reason why I skip the thank you page is because I normally don't do something to it, because I'm going to be showing you what would be the next step for you to create your landing page now. So this is how I would do it, because I don't want my thank you page to be sending to whoever's signing up for my list. And so this is how I do it. So once I've done that, then here is the task. I normally don't enter description. It's just to make things easier for you to set it up. And then this will be your landing page URL. You're going to be copying and pasting that one. Then what you need to do next is have to find the thank you page. So this is the default option, the ones that I skipped, the one that says thank you for signing up my free training. So since I skipped that part, I'm gonna be doing it this way. I'm gonna be adding the custom thank you page. Now this is what you need to enter here for your whatever links that you wanna offer to your buyers list. So for example, if you wanna offer your list the person who's going to be signing up your information. Let's say, let's go to YouTube and start finding helpful videos for them to check out. It could be YouTube videos of how affiliate marketing works, but feel free to send them your own. If you have something that has to do with links that you can connect to your GetResponse account, so it has to be something here that you want to add. And so maybe you can copy this video, and then you can pretty much give that as an offer for saying thank you. So copy this. This is one of the other things for you to give them a free copy just for signing up to your list. You can either add this or can hit Google. You can always find a lot of stuff that you can give to your list, you know, to your whoever's signing up to your list. And so let's say online marketing, could be online marketing course. You can go ahead and just pretty much find good information. So don't give them something crappy information. You have to give them something valuable for them to start learning about online marketing. And so it could be, let me see, I want to find something that's valuable to your the person who's going to be signing up to your list. And so maybe let's try this one just because it's got the 10 best online courses on digital marketing, free and paid. So that's very catchy. And so you could copy that one. You could either do it this way as well, and you paste it over here. So this is my way of sending them their free training, but I do have a personalized free training. But then again, you can actually add one if you have one that has a link to it, so you can paste it over here. And then once you've done that, then you're gonna hit publish. So let's hit publish. So that's done. And now once you've done that, then you're gonna be copying this link. Then what you need to do next is you're gonna start pasting it onto your social media. If you have a social media for your online marketing branding, then you can start adding it here. Just type in get my free training, then add the links here on your, it could be on your YouTube channel right here. So make sure you add it onto your YouTube videos right below in the description of your videos. Put it as make sure that you add it as automatic upload, so that it's gonna start adding it here each time you download or you upload your videos. Make sure that you add it onto your welcome video channel over here as well. And then you can actually add it to your website if you have one, but then I'm assuming you don't have a website yet. So this is just an easy way for me to show you if you just started with using GetResponse. And so pretty much that's how you can create your first landing page, so that you can start capturing everyone's email address this way. So start with your social media, make sure you add them onto your YouTube account, your Facebook account, Instagram, and so on. And so that's it for how you can create your landing page with GetResponse. And I hope you like this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to the next video.